really excites me about the sports management program at Carthage is that it's a very unique and different program than what you might find in any other sport management program across the country. We're open to any academic major, we're open to any academic discipline that students might have come from, because we really focus on providing students with the general skill set that they need to survive as both a business leader, but then also as a business leader in sport.
I didn't have a business background coming into this program. It was in music. A lot of the professors were very transparent and willing to help me. You don't have to have a business degree, just come in with your knowledge. Having a lot of students from different backgrounds, business or not, helps with making these new creative projects and working on them.
I didn't want to be in school too much longer, so when I saw 10 months, it's like, okay, now I'm graduating at the same time as a couple of my other friends who went and got their masters right away after their undergrad. So that 10 months, it's really helpful.
The benefit of having the 10-month program for Carthage is you get into your professional industry as quick as possible, and those network connections that you're making within the meantime, you can use them right away because they're already fresh in your back pocket.
A lot of these other programs, they're expecting you to basically be a grad student only. And Carthage, it's 10 months long. So everything from other schools where it's 24 months put into 10 months.
The courses, how they're scheduled is actually fantastic. It's a hybrid setting. It's really nice to be able to just go home from work. I can, get home, I can still attend class. I have no doubt in my mind that anybody else in most other positions wouldn't be able to make it work.
This year we have a student who's working with the Minnesota Wild, and even though obviously we're based in Kenosha, Wisconsin, they are able to live in St. Paul, Minnesota and work with the Wild organization while they complete the coursework in the program.
Being remote is a huge advantage because obviously I live 400 or 500 miles away. Being a remote student, obviously there's a lot of these experience-based projects. The professors gives us plenty of notice if we do want to fly out for these events, or if it's not possible, there's plenty of opportunities to either do that work in an alternative way or just zoom in to these events. Professors are very accommodating of that.
One thing I'll say about the master's program is if you have a love for sports, this is the program for you.